Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. Welcome back to the episode. So, on this episode of our course, we are going to learn everything you need to know about Revit staircase. And this staircase on your screen is what we are going to learn about. So, you are going to try and draw the various staircase. So, when I come into my Revit file, you can see these are a series of staircase here in which I've drawn. At the end of these tutorials, you'll be able to learn how to create all this type of staircase. So guys, let's move right away into our template. So what's up guys, this is the template in which we are, the new template. So we are going to use the new template, which is the metric structure template. From there, you just have to click on your open from here. So here we are. So first of all, what you have to do is to check your levels if you have the level 1 and the level 2 in there. So you come back to your level 1. Come back to your level 1. So with the staircase, you are going to use the architecture tab from the circulation area. So you can see there's a staircase here. So you click on this staircase. So under default, Revit has given us a default staircase in which we are going to draw it before we come and draw the types of staircase we have here. So what we have to do next is to draw the default staircase in which we have. So we have the straight right here. So when you come to your circulation area and you pick staircase, and it opens the drawing tools for you or the modifying tools for you, you can see we have base level, which is level 1, and the top level, which is level 2. So the desired number of staircase is 16. You can also determine the actual depth here or the thread depth here. So we are using 250. You can also do it 300 mm. Aside that, we have the actual run width, which we are using 1 meter as well. So you can also uncheck the automatic landing, or you can check the automatic landing. So these are a few things that you have to know about the staircase. So when I have checked my properties here, you just have to click on the straight flight and you click on the run. Then you pick the area in which you want to start your staircase. Then you draw a horizontal or a vertical line to give you your staircase. So this is a 2 staircase. So I'll come to my 3D and check if I have it in here. But I can't see here, so I'll click on the review heading element, select the staircase, and do on hide categories, and also do same for the railings. So after then, I'll change my graphic display to shaded. Okay, so this is the 2 straight flight that we've drawn. The next approach I'm going to work on is to bring my image here. To serve as a guide for us. So as we said earlier, we are going to draw the default staircase in Revit. So back into our staircase area. The next one that we are going to draw is the spiral staircase. So when I click on the spiral staircase, I'll check my properties and I'll check the width and also check the thread depth in which I want to use. Then I'll pick place in which I want to draw and expand my arrow like this. I can also increase my run width to 1.5 and do enter. Okay. Then after that, I can do finish from here. So this is how to draw a spiral staircase. The same applies to the other staircase. When I click on my staircase button, I'm going to draw the other staircase, which is the center spiral staircase. So we select edit type, back to our level 1, select here, select the node, and you draw a circular staircase like that. Okay, so this is another way of drawing a spiral staircase. When I come into my 3D, I can have something like this. Okay, so we move on to the next one. When I come to my circulation area, I have a default L-shape window staircase. So for that one, when I just click on it, it's going to span from level 1 to level 2. So I'll put that one to the top here, and I'll do finish. But first of all, let me explain this thing. When you pick on your staircase, we have types of staircase in Revit. So we have the assemble staircase, and we have the precast staircase, and we also have the monolithic or cast in place staircase. So you can choose to decide if you want a concrete staircase or an assemble staircase. But what we are using right now is what assemble staircase. The same thing goes for the monolithic staircase and also the precast staircase. So with the lesson, you can also try and work your hands on to see if you can able to do this type of staircase. So the last one that we are going to do is going to be this, and I'll pick the assemble staircase. You just have to click, you pick the last staircase, you just have to click. So you can also select, check the properties of the staircase here as well. The width, you can increase it to or decrease it to 900 mm. Okay, so there we have it. So we have the default staircase drawn in our Revit tutorials today. So the next approach that we are going to work on is to try and draw the image that we have on our screen. The image that we have on our screen. So let's go into the 3D, and we have the default staircase Revit has set for us. So how do you draw your own type of staircase? So the first one that we are going to draw is the A type of staircase. How do I draw the A type of staircase? So I'll come to my staircase area, pick the staircase. Let's change this one to casting place staircase. So you have to just draw a horizontal line or a vertical line from here. Then you jump to the top and you go left. After that, you do AL, which is for align. Then you align this one to this. Click on escape for a couple times, select on this, then you hold the node and pull it out. So this is the A type. So the next type that we are going to do is to draw the B type. So the same procedure, I'll come to my circulation area, pick the staircase. Jump from left to right. After that, select the right staircase and use your arrow key to push it to the left. Hold the node and pull it to match the other one. Then you do finish. There we have it. So we are going to draw the C type of staircase, which is a straight flight. So I'll pick my staircase here. So the next one that we are going to do is the D type of staircase. So how do we draw the D type of staircase? You pick your circulation area, then you pick a start from here. Then you also jump and pick another start here. You move forward and you pick another start here. After that, you just have to do align AL. So it seems we have the E type of staircase. So let's move on to the F. How do you draw the F? So with the F, you come to your staircase. Right now, we are not going to use the run. We are going to use create by sketch. Create by sketch. So you click on create by sketch and you click on boundary. So after drawing your boundaries, you pick on riser. You draw your first riser. You select your riser and you copy to the top 300 mm. Select your second riser. After drawing a couple of your riser, you select on the fillet arc. Select the horizontal line and the vertical line. Then you create an arc. After that, you hit on this riser and you pull it somehow like this. Select on the riser rather. After drawing this, you hit on your staircase path, hit on the midpoint to create the path, then you do finish. So there we have it. There we have it. So the other staircase can be seen. So we are going to draw the E type of staircase. So for that one, you come to your staircase area. You can use the run. You go small, you leave a gap, and you continue from the same area like that. So guys, this is an idea ways to draw series types of staircase by using a sketch and also by using the run type of staircase. So I hope this video helped you a lot. Thanks you for purchasing this course. Share this course as well. See you in the next video. Peace. Shalom. Bye.